Welcome all to Techtomber and subscribe to SL Tech Brain. It would be so epic. Uh, in Techtember, we thought they would be released iPhone from iPhone 12, but it not be happen. And in Techtember, they had been released HomePod Mini and iPhone 12. Uh, in iPhone 12 series, we can see iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then let's talk about iPhone 12. In iPhone 12 series, first I'm going to talk about iPhone 12 because it's easy to continue with other phones when I talk about first iPhone 12. Um, in iPhone 12, they mainly use 5G connections in first time, and but it's an disadvantage for Sri Lanka and Asian countries because still we didn't doesn't have 5G connections. Next thing about MagSafe, uh, it's mean charging uh, topics. In MagSafe, you can see the charger. We can see this in Apple Watch. In this charger, when we take near for the Apple Watch, it easily plug into the watch like that. This time they use this magnet technology for charging wireless charging for Apple phone. There are lots of designs from that, like a wallet and lots of things. uh, After that, uh, I'm gonna talk about the crystallized shield. Is they talk about the displays, and they use 460 megapixel per inch and 2.8 million pixels in iPhone 12. uh, they talk about that crystal sheet. They make the front glass of the phone 4 times stronger than other in iPhone 11 display, and they didn't talk about it like it's a glass or thing. They told it a shield. I like that because the damage will be more 4 times uh, lower than other like other times. Next thing about cameras, they use two cameras. uh, uh, they use in that camera, first one, ultra wide camera with 12 megapixel, 2.4 aperture and 5 elements lens. The next one is wide camera, 12 megapixel, 1.6 aperture and 7 element lens. uh, After that, the main thing is they uh, change their font's shape for like that old one in iPhone 4 and 5 and SE first brand. They use the rectangular shape for the iPhone 12. And now I'm going to talk about iPhone 12 mini. Now let's talk about iPhone 12 mini. We can tell it's the smaller version of iPhone 12. In iPhone 12, the price is $799, and in iPhone 12 mini it's $699. They have been dropped the price for the mini versions, and the advantages like 5G, MagSafe, display. Uh, i- the features didn't change for iPhone 12 mini. Advantages, the features are same in iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini. Now let's talk about iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max. uh, iPhone 12 Pro Max, they used ultra wide and wide cameras, and main thing is telephoto camera. And the size of the phone, it takes for 6.7-inch bigger, and it's more bigger than other phones. uh, Another thing, they use LiDAR sensor for Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the price is going so up for $99. uh, it's bit of crazy, and the price is too up. uh, they talk about lots of thing in iPhone 12 camera, like pro tips. In iPhone 12, there would be no charging dock, and there would be no earphones because the environmental issues. The casing would be smaller than other phones, and you can get from the box. It means box contains paperworks and USB-C to USB Lightning port charging cable and the phone. uh, in that event they told that uh, there are billions of charging docks and earphones has been released past couple of years from the Apple, and now times they using earbuds. Because of it, it's not use of uh, making lots of earphones and charging docks. And the main thing is they use USB type C uh, to lightning port in the charging cable. uh, that's it from iPhone 12, and let's get up from new video. Share, comment, like, and uh, subscribing will be so epic.